Good afternoon to all of you. Today we start topic roles of executive chef. The first role of executive chef is planning menu. In the planning menu, he has to take into consideration all the factors which influence the menu, and the chef has to take a critical note of all the activity which are important in the menu planning. Care should be taken of various things such as eating trends, raw materials, availability and variety of the meals. Second one is forecasting. Before identifying and buying, the chef must be able to produce the accurate estimates of the volume of production. He must consider the following points. First one is previous year sales during the same time period, sales forecast from F&B service department. Next one is volume of daily inquiry for the parties. Last one is chef own experience. The third role is purchase. The food cost will grow up if the purchasing is not done in an optimum manner. Excessive raw materials result in pilferages, whereas shortage of raw materials result in the loss of business and decreases in the number of clientele. The fourth one is planning work schedule. It is the duty of executive staff to ensure that the schedule of work is planned in such a way that enough work forces are available all the time. So the work schedule should be properly planned in order to ensure manpower availability during the peak season and festive season. The fifth one is staff hiring. Although the final decision rests with the personnel manager, but the details of the staff hiring are given by the executive staff because he is the one who is actually taking part in day to day operation with kitchen staff. Sixth one is training. The chef will give the demonstration of the new dishes which he wants to introduce in the menu. So it is duty to plan the training program not only for newcomers but also for the existing staff. The seventh one is supervision of the staff. It is the duty of the staff to delegate the authority amongst the various staff working under him to ensure that the staff is performing duties as per his expectation. The eighth one is he is responsible for all or working of the kitchen. Ninth is he is one who is responsible for maintaining close liaison with the other departments to ensure the balance in the operation. The tenth one is he represents his teams to the management, so it is duty to convey the feelings of the staff members under him to top management and ensure good employer employee relationship. 11th one is he presides over the department meetings from the kitchen side. 12th one is he is responsible for the aesthetic upkeep of the kitchen department. The next one is he is responsible for organizing festival in the organization. The next one is he is responsible for ensuring a proper pest control procedure to be followed during a given time period. The next one he is responsible for maintain the discipline and decorum in the kitchen. 16th one is he has to have a real commitment in terms of efforts and willingness to learn the skills involved. Next one is he is familiar with the safe priority techniques for handling the food and equipments. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIT Academics.